The 7 Principles for Making Marriage Work, a practical guide from the country's foremost relationship expert. The 7 Principles for Making Marriage Work has revolutionized the way we understand, repair, and strengthen marriages. John Gottman's unprecedented study of couples over a period of years has allowed him to observe the habits that can make and break a marriage. Here is the culmination of that work: the 7 principles that guide couples on a path toward a harmonious and long-lasting relationship. Straightforward yet profound, these principles teach partners new approaches for resolving conflicts, creating new common ground, and achieving greater levels of intimacy. Gottman offers strategies and resources to help couples collaborate more effectively to resolve any problem, whether dealing with issues related to sex, money, religion, work, family, or anything else. Packed with new exercises and the latest research out of the esteemed Gottman Institute, this revised edition of the 7 Principles for Making Marriage Work is the definitive guide for anyone who wants their relationship to attain its highest potential.